Hello and welcome to the Marches Centre of Manufacturing and Technology. We're here today just to show you what we've got on offer for our apprenticeships and how you can get into the engineering sector. So here at MCMT we opened in 2017, giving home to 36,000 square feet of dedicated engineering training. Here at MCMT we not only focus on the hardcore skills such as milling, fitting, turning, robotics, welding. It is also about you and your learning career and to help you go further. We understand that you might not just want to stay on the shop floor, you might want to move into a supervisory position, a team leader, or even one day own your own engineering company. So we do give you lots of additional skills such as business improvement techniques, communication, negotiation, and those like skills. Here at MCMT we've got lots of opportunities right now. We've got over 15 companies waiting for applications from new learners so they can vet them and see them and to go through the interview process. These opportunities are things like mechatronics, tool maker, electrical engineer. There's lots of information there online. So you know, it's difficult when you're young and you're either leaving school or you've just done your A-levels to find out how to get into that sector. There are lots of different educational routes for you to get a job within engineering. One of those is apprenticeships, and here at MCMT we are Ofsted Outstanding, and we really do focus on you as a learner to make sure that you get the exact career you need to fulfil those career aspirations of yours. Like I said, everything we've got is all online, so if you are struggling to decide whether you would like to go to university or go down the apprenticeship route, then please have a look on all the guidance and see what's available to you.